Welcome to 9588 Poston Road in beautiful Jonesboro, Georgia. Nestled in a quiet and well-maintained neighborhood, this charming home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and space. As you step inside, you're greeted by an inviting foyer that opens up to a spacious and naturally lit living area, perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing with family. This home features a bright and functional kitchen, complete with ample cabinet space, modern appliances, and a cozy breakfast nook where you can start your mornings right. Step out back to a large private backyard, ideal for family gatherings, pets, or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon outdoor. One of the standout features of this home is the spacious basement. Whether you're looking for extra storage, a home gym, a media room, or even a private rental suite, this space offers endless possibilities to increase your living area or generate additional income. 9588 Poston Road is more than just a house, it's a place to call home. Schedule your private tour today and come see all this beautiful property has to offer.